What if I told you that within the story of your life lies the exact roadmap to achieve everything you've ever dreamed of and more? I'm Claudia Carbonell, creator of LifeMap Therapy, and I've developed something revolutionary. The world's first comprehensive methodology that systematically reframes your entire life story, eliminates emotional baggage, and creates a new identity aligned with your true potential. This isn't traditional therapy that simply addresses symptoms. This isn't coaching that offers temporary motivation. This is complete transformation. My patent-pending LifeMap Therapy method combines with the 3 circles of transformation to methodically map every stage of your life, from childhood through today, uncovering the hidden beliefs, patterns, and experiences that have shaped who you are. Through the revelation of circle, we uncover your true narrative. In the recognition circle, we identify how these elements created your current limitations. And in the recoding circle, we completely restructure your life story, creating a new identity congruent with your true potential. My journey to create LifeMap Therapy began with my son's battle with opiate addiction. When conventional approaches failed, I immersed myself in mastering the world's most powerful therapeutic methodologies, from CBT and NLP to trauma resolution techniques and advanced hypnotherapy. The system I developed not only saved my son's life, but transformed it entirely. And now I've refined this methodology to help people overcome anxiety, depression, relationship challenges, trauma, addiction, and discover their true purpose. Here in my Laguna Hills office, I don't guess, I don't assume. I map your complete life story and use it to craft a clear, actionable plan for your transformation. No confusion, no cookie cutter advice, just a proven, personalized system that helps you rewrite your narrative and heal deep emotional pain. If you're ready to break free from what's holding you back and step into the life you were meant to live, I'm ready to guide you through every step of the journey. Your transformation begins here. Welcome to LifeMap Therapy. Heal your pain, overcome your challenges, find yourself with LifeMap Therapy. Welcome.